Hello my loves, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Laura and welcome back to Iconic London's YouTube channel. Today I'm so excited to be sharing with you my top tips for a gorgeous glowy date night glam that's going to last whatever your Valentine's or Galentine's plans may be. Okay, let's dive right in. Tip number one, and probably the most important, is that you want to have a long lasting base. And the products that are going to help you achieve exactly that are these two right here. This gorgeous duo right here is the Satin Skin Bundle. It includes the new Velvet Smooth Primer and the best-selling Super Smoother Blurring Skin Tint. This primer applies so beautifully and creates the perfect smooth canvas ready for makeup applications. My skin is nice and smooth. I then go in with the Super Smoother Skin Tint. I wear this all the time and I absolutely love it because it gives you such a gorgeous glowy base without being super heavy coverage. In saying that, if you did want a little extra coverage, this product is super buildable and it never becomes cakey. For reference, I wear this in the shade Warm Fair and I honestly I'm just obsessed with how it looks on the skin. I'm wearing this gorgeous combination today and I just love the flawless cloud-like base that it gives for my makeup. If you did want to try out either of these products, when you shop them together you actually can save 15% on iconiclondon.com. Moving on to tip number two. Now it wouldn't be a date night glam makeup look if I didn't have some highlighter. So to finish off my date night look, I'm going to pop on some Lit and Luminous Baked Highlighter. As this is a powder highlight, this will help increase the longevity of your makeup as you're not layering too many cream products onto your face. I absolutely love how this highlight applies. It just melts into the skin. I mean, just look at that glow, and who doesn't want to be glowing on date night? I cannot get over that glow. I mean, how gorgeous does that look on the skin? I feel like it's just totally completed this look, and yeah, now I feel totally ready for date night. Moving on to tip number three, and that is to have a long lasting lip combo. It is date night after all, so we do not want to be constantly reapplying our lipstick, and we want our lips to of course look very kissable. So to achieve a long lasting lip combo, I always reach for the Dream Lip Duo. First up, I start with the Fuller Pout Sculpting Lip Liner. I'm absolutely obsessed with these lip liners. I have them in so many different shades, but today I'm wearing the shade Unbothered, which I just think is the perfect nude colour. I love that these lip liners are infused with natural oils, which provides a creamy formula which does not dry out on the lips, making them super comfortable to wear. After applying my lip liner, I then go in with the Melting Touch Lip Balm, and today I'm wearing shade Sitting Pretty. To say that I'm obsessed with these lip balms would be a big understatement. They provide the perfect balance of colour and nourishment, so you don't have to worry about careful reapplication whilst knowing your lips are kissable and soft. This is definitely the dream lip combo and it'll be going straight in my handbag ready for date night. And now for my last tip for long lasting gorgeous date night makeup, and actually a step that some people tend to forget, and that is to use a setting spray. I couldn't complete my makeup now without using the Prep Set and Glow spray. It just melts all of my makeup together and ensures that it lasts all night long. Another top tip and another way that I like to use this spray is to spritz my skin before I even apply my makeup. This just gives you a gorgeous glow from within. I also love to spray this all over my body, across my collarbones, just to give me a gorgeous glow for date night. You can see that the spray has just completed the look and added even more glow. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found some of those tips helpful, and I hope you have a lovely date night whatever your plans may be. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave any comments below, and I hope I'll see you guys in another video really soon. Thank you for watching.